Hey fellas, we're out in my barn and I want to share something with you guys. My 10-meter radio has had a very high noise floor for a very long time and I could never figure out what it was. And I finally figured it out and I have a solution and I thought I'd share it with you. If you look, you'll see the noise floor is low, 3, 4, something in that area. And it's nice and quiet. However, adjacent to this 10-meter radio is an AM/FM radio that is powered by a laptop charger, an AC/DC adapter for laptop that's just wired into that so I don't have to buy batteries. And while I never use the 10-meter radio at the same time I'm listening to music on the AM/FM radio out here in the barn, the laptop adapter is plugged in. It's always on. It's always hot, even if the radio is turned off. And I just figured out today that that is what's causing this issue. And there's a very simple fix for it. So let me show you what we got going on. Here's the radio with the adapter turned off. And watch what happens when I turn the adapter on. You can see the noise floor jumps right up to an 8, 9. And if I turn it off, give it a few seconds to unload, and the noise floor drops back down again. The solution for this was very easy. I ordered a switch off of Amazon. You get, I think, 3 of them for $10. And plug the AC adapter into this and then plug this into the wall socket. And that solved the problem. Just turn that off so that the adapter is not hot and the noise floor is beautiful. Now, it's not just an AC adapter that can cause this issue. A USB charging brick can do it. LED light bulbs can do it. Even your refrigerator can do it. So if you're having this problem, you got to search around a little bit, do a little hunting and pecking to see if you can find out which particular electronic device is doing it. But generally, it's adapters, charging blocks, refrigerators, LED light bulbs, sometimes fluorescent light bulbs, if the ballast is going bad. So I hope this helps. Let me know how you guys make out.